Hello, welcome back to Renovation. I'm Jamie Gordon. I help people with selling and buying homes in Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, and the surrounding areas. We have accomplished so much in the last few days, well, I'd say last week, and have had tremendous help. So thank you so much, Karen, Bob, Richie, Mike, for pitching in and helping us out. And I'm just hopeful that I wasn't too grumpy because, man, oh man, it was a lot. And yes, thank you, Steph, for helping clean up too. We're definitely, you turn into a different person when you're going through a renovation. Try not to be stressed, but it's really hard not to, and little things bother you a little bit more. So I'm going to take you through a tour. This last week, Bob and Karen came up and they helped us with painting. I mean, they did like a ton of this painting, like most of it, and Bob and Tom did most of the painting. And then Richie and Tom hit up this floor and they got all the flooring in, so could not be happier. I'm going to take you on a little tour here. It's been so muddy out that it's been a good test for this flooring because this floor has kind of a, you'll see a gray hue in it, which I really love because it doesn't show your dirt up as much. Look at our nice shades over there. We are hanging our pillowcases. We're really happy with this color. I don't know if you can see it very well, but this is kind of got a blue hue to it. We got Sherwin-Williams paint. We did do a primer beforehand, which really helped. Have several touch-ups to do. You're heading into the master bath. You hear my Mariah Carey playing in the background because my radio broke, but I dug out a CD that I actually I didn't know I had any CDs, but I do. And I only found one, and it was Mariah Carey Butterfly. So I think I listened to it like 20 times. It's been kind of starting to get to me, and I think everybody else. So we're going into construction zone here, and as we walk through here, we almost lost a kid last week. So because of all the rain, my husband has a big trench over by his building, and Tate decided to go play in the mud and literally almost went up to his waist in the mud, and Tom had to pull him out and lost his shoes in there. So yeah, that's the excitement of renovation. So you'll see back here, there's a stand that my friend Amy let me borrow. So thank you, Amy. Her dad built this, and we're going to put all of the trim up there to let it dry. So hopefully it goes a little bit quicker than what I'm anticipating. So I have like 80 some pieces of trim to stain and to put a clear coat on this week, and hopefully the weather cooperates so that it actually isn't too humid and will dry quickly for us. Yeah, we're going to be getting all of that put up here in the next few days. Well, maybe in the next week we might have all of it done. I'm not sure the timing on this because I've never done it before. So welcome to something new. I always like to try new things. So thanks for joining this week. Again, thank you everyone for all your help this week. Thank you, Karen, Bob, Richie, Mike, Steph. Thanks to all of you for all your help. It's really good to have good friends. We couldn't have done it without you. And Tom has been tremendous. I'm so grateful to have a husband that knows how to do darn near everything. So thanks, Tom, for all of your hard work on this. Hope you all have a good week. We'll talk to you next week.